And I'm going to give you a few quick little tips on rebuilding your American suspension P49 shocks. Now these shocks can be completely rebuilt. They can also be revalved if you're running a completely different bike. They're typically valved for a touring bike, but maybe you're going to use these on a snowmobile or a car. Anyway, here's what you need to do. This little wiper seal just pops off, and then you'll find a circlip. You pop out that circlip. Now, what some people do is they just dig that seal out, and it's possible to do that. It's kind of a really hard way of doing it. The way we normally do it here is we'll take the spherical bearing that's in here, we'll press that out, and then we'll take a hex wrench that goes in through the little hole on the top. We'll put that hex wrench in until it engages the hex in this shaft that's in the shock absorber. And then it's red Loctited on there, so you're gonna have to heat it up. And then once it's heated up, it'll unscrew. It's a regular right hand thread, but you'll be screwing it in because it is up in here, and you'll be screwing so that it comes out. So you'll rotate it that way. Then once you unscrew that, then the whole shock will come apart. There will be a piston with valving, and you can revalve that to your heart's content. To put it together, it's just the opposite. I put it all together, put a little Loctite on that shaft, and torque it together. All right, thanks, bye.